Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It. Today I ran out of soap, so I need to refill this, and I hate doing this because every time I do it, it seems like I can't tell how much I'm putting in here, and then sometimes I put too much, so when you put this thing back on, it overflows, makes a mess. So I wanted to try something that I don't have to deal with that anymore. So I found this in Amazon, soap dispenser extension tube kit. This gets attached to this, so you never have to fill this thing again. So let's try it out. First thing you need to do is remove everything from under the sink. Okay, next we're gonna remove this soap reservoir. Just unscrew it. Okay, this is the old dispenser. So instead of pumping from this, we're gonna pump from this. And look how much bigger that is. You won't have to mess with it for months. So this is the kit. Comes with a long tube and a shorter tube. The long tube has a check valve. And what this does is once you pump the soap up, it keeps it from flowing back down into the container, okay? Comes with a few different size caps. So what you do is take this cap off and see which one fits it, okay? So this is the one that fits this, okay? And we have a couple of, this is to hold the tube in place. So you just stick this to the wall and put your tube through it, okay? You got some instructions, which they're not so great. And that's it. So now you want to take this out and remove this plastic piece from it. Okay. So what we're going to do first is we're going to attach this to this. Okay. Just push it through. And then we're going to feed this through here from the bottom. Okay. And once it comes up, we're going to attach it to that. Okay, before you connect these two guys together, take your cap and feed it through first. And this part is gonna go inside the bottle, okay? Now you can connect this like that. And now we have these old caps that we don't need right now, but I'm gonna feed them through here in case I get another size bottle. I have these ready, okay? Okay, now I'm ready to feed this through. Next, attach the pump. So put this in there as far as you can. That's it. Now this feeds right through. Now take this, feed it through. And this is gonna go all the way to the bottom. Next, start pumping. And this is gonna take a little while. I seen another guy, he took the tube and started sucking on it to make it go faster, but I'm not doing that. So just keep pumping and stuff's coming out. It's getting there. There you go. Okay, the last step is taking these guys, you just pull them apart, put the tube through it, and then you press it. Click in place, take off the backing, you stick it to wherever you need to. If you made a mistake and you want to release this, you just press that and it comes out, okay? All right, guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.